today I was going to be changing the oil on my car, but as you can see from the weather, you can see it all running down here, it is non-stop raining, and every time I try to get anywhere near to doing it, it just gets even heavier. So I am not doing that, and instead we're going to install this badge. I know, fun. But yeah, we'll install that, so then the front of the car stops looking really stupid without a badge, and it'll match the back badge. It'll match this one, which is all dechromed around here and looks really cool, and kind of matches the M3 badge over there. So let's get this changed. But first, because obviously nothing is going to stick if I do it outside whilst it's still raining, I need to try and get this dry. So, I mean, it is kind of getting a wee bit lighter right now, so I might be able to do it. If not, I'm thinking I will pull it over to the garage and just kind of get the front of it in the garage, just enough to kind of cover it and protect it, just for the milliseconds that it'll take to install this. On the OEM ones, around this outer rim, there's a sticky tape layer, but I've obviously just stuck on 4 little bits, and that'll do the job. It's got these 2 little locator pins as well, so you just stick it on like that. Let's go put this on. Partially dried up here, and then I'm going to use some panel prep on a cloth just there and give it a clean, just so it's got any kind of oils on there, and the adhesive sticks better. Get it nice and clean. Also, there's a bit of a mark around the edge, but that's obviously just from the old tape. Can't seem to get it off, so it's fine. I'm not too worried about it. And then we just need to make sure it stays dry whilst we put on the new one. So I'll probably wipe this and then stick it down at the same time. So let me quickly do that. I was juggling way too many things at one time, so I wasn't able to record this on this phone. I was recording on TikTok, so if you want to see me do that, go on my TikTok and you will see it. But badge is now installed, obviously all stuck down nicely, looking really good on the front. And the best part is actually matching the back of the car again, which for a while there was only a badge on here, and well, actually for a while there was no badges on the car at all, which I think was about 2 weeks, and definitely don't want to be running the car for that long with no badges on it. It just looks silly. But yeah, we've got the badge back on, looking so much better. Really happy with it. Was hoping to do an oil change today, but with this weather it's not really happening. Quick video, just doing this, getting the car kind of looking right again, and then we'll go on to the sort of maintenance things again in another day when it is nicer weather. Whilst I was tidying everything up, it got me thinking, and mainly I was looking at the back of these seats, and it reminded me of something that someone said in a comment recently about how this is just, you know, cheap Alcantara, and I couldn't agree more. This is actually how I got the seats. So when I bought them, they had the all silver kind of loopholes in it. I painted them black. This one's not painted because it's an absolute nightmare to get off that cable in there. I thought about just cutting it or something because I don't really need it in this car with back doors. Yeah, I've just left it for now because I don't see it, and you don't actually really see it from the front either. Also, you see that I've now painted them red, which most likely I will be painting them black again soon because I just prefer it. I did it kind of just for a video, but yeah, I think it would look better black. Anyway, back to the Alcantara sort of cheapness look on the back. I always wanted carbon backs on these, but I can't really stick it down with this stuff on here. I'd probably have to try and take it off, and that'd probably just involve taking the whole seat apart. But I did have a thought. Could I dye this with just some sort of like fabric dye or something? That would probably make it look a lot better. I mean, I never see it in the back because obviously I'm always driving the car, I don't actually really ever have anyone in the back, but if I did, they would see this, and I don't think they would probably care too much, but me just knowing that they're seeing this sort of red and mismatched sort of thing, like, it makes me want to clean up these seats in general, and I think I should just kind of take the time to do it. I do also have some sort of different floor brackets out of the F30. They're manual BMW floor sliders, so I'm tempted to put them on as well because these ones are the Recaro ones, and they don't slide that smooth. But yeah, I think I should probably just do a whole refresh of the seats. My idea was actually originally to kind of carbon backs and actually get the front seats retrimmed and possibly the rear seats as well. Ignore the bear. It was something I put in my car, and I told myself that I'll take it out when I take it out, and I've never taken it out because I always forget it's there. So yeah, I don't know. Is it time to kind of refresh these seats, or should I for now just kind of maybe try get some leather or fabric dye and sort of try clean them up at least for now until I do something more with them, if I get them fully retrimmed or whatever it may be. But yeah, I'm kind of thinking that I do try that stuff on it. I've never used it before. I've seen people use it on like their house carpets and stuff like that, which I think is wild. I think for something like this, I mean, worst case, I'm never going to see it, so maybe it is worth doing. Yeah, that's my thoughts. Just sitting in the back of the car, it's a really weird feeling actually, because I never actually sit back here. I've never been in this car while someone else is driving it in the back. I've done it in the passenger seat, I think, but never in the back of the car, and it's weird. It's nice though. It's kind of got that luxury feel. You got the loads of leg room in it and everything, which is really nice. But it's also got the sort of curtain things. I don't know what they're called, but yeah, it's got them in here, which I know that was a nice spec option. I actually really like that because when you put the windows down when you're driving, you don't get the horrible wind noise, which it's really good. So make sure if you're going to get one of these cars, get one of these in it, because that's the best. best spec. But yeah, it's really nice back here. Quite surprised. I do like the black, but I don't know, I've always had a thing for a different color interior. I don't know if I'd do it on this car. I think it would look cool, just going wild with it. I've never changed an interior that much. I mean, this is probably the car I've changed the interior on the most. Even still, it's just basically putting some seats, steering wheel and armrests and things like that, which is all pretty minor things. Yeah, let me know down in the comments if I should try out the fabric stuff, the fabric dye on these, the back of the seats, see if we can just kind of clean them up for now. Yeah, that's kind of my thoughts on a horrible rainy day where I can't really do much outside of the car. I mean, I was really wanting to do the oil change, but yeah, that's gonna have to wait until another day now. But yeah, still want to get a video uploaded, just even if it was a, you know, terrible short crappy video, didn't really do much in this, put the badge on and that was about it. Trying to commit to getting a video up. So yeah, let me know down below if I should try out that dye stuff or if I should just, I don't know, if anyone's tried the carbon backs, if I could do that onto this fabric without having to take them apart to get all the fabric off, that would be cool. I'd probably go down that route. So yeah, let me know if you've tried that and if it's possible. If not, let me know if I should try the dye route, and if anyone's done the dye before, let me know if you've had good success with it or whatnot. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll do another video next weekend. So hopefully there's a video every week, and that's something for you guys to look forward to, and I'll try getting a schedule of just doing them. So that's it for this one, and see you in the next one.